Hello everyone, welcome back to Rafael Cooking Style, your and my cooking channel. So today I got some chicken soup because there is a wave of sickness around here, colds and stuff. So the first I got a whole chicken, I boil it, and I got some sofrito. This is Venezuelan style. This is just garlic, spring onion and onion. Just saute it. And look, this is when we do the whole chicken. Look, this is the broth we got, and this oil on top is flavorly for the soup. It's very, very important to do it with a whole chicken like that. It brings a very, very nice flavor on it. So we got our sofrito, we place it back, and I got some cubes of potatoes and carrots, and of course we are gonna add some corn. Now I got some canned corn. You can also do fresh chunks of corn if you want to. I didn't have any, so I'm using the canned one. Now we are gonna add a little bit of stock. I use it very seldom, but so for soups are very okay. And now a little bit of salt. Remember that our chicken was cooked in an unsalted water. If you cook it with a salty water, you got to check the salt before you add any salt. So this is our chicken, and now look, I just remove all the skin and bones, and we got our shredded chicken. We're gonna after the potatoes and carrot they are almost all the way through, we add our chicken, just mix it together, and that's it. It's a very nice soup when you are sick, when you have a cold, even in winter to eat. So a little bit of chicken soup, it's very easy one. Look, I just did this soup with a very less effort and speedy one. So I hope you like it. So subscribe to the channel for further recipes. There are a bunch of new recipes. I'm just gonna plate it and add some fresh parsley or coriander on top, olive oil and pepper. So thank you everyone and have a nice journey. Take care.